Time for an oil change. Let's see how black this shit is. Yep, it was overdue. Already have the new filter on, so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's blacker than Bruce Jenner's soul. Always be on top of your oil changes, folks. I'll go over more with what kind of oil. So whatnot in the description what I use. Or I'll add another video and with this one, so see you soon. Sounds so much healthier after a good honest oil change. Always start your vehicle up after an oil change so everything can circulate. Then check your oil and you get shit. Alright folks, here's what I've used for motor oil for the last 17, 18 years. 5W30, depends on make, model, and whatnot. A lot of vehicles would go with 5W20 or 5W30. My truck takes 5W30. Well, a lot of buddy of mine told me Chrysler recommends, I forgot what it was, but me, I don't go by them. I go by my standards. 5W30, Valvoline, high mileage, because my pickup has over 318,000 on it, going on 319. So, and here's what I use: Fram PH16, and my motor, it's a 5.7 Hemi, and FYI, the 5.7 Hemis takes 7 quarts of oil, so there you go.